This video is for Hour 3, Managing Database Objects for SAM's SQL in 24 hours. In this, we're going to go through a few very basic database management commands that allow us to do some basic table management and look at the tables within our database. So what we first want to do is go ahead and do use learn SQL, and we'll execute that. And what that does is that has us now writing all of our queries towards this learn SQL database. So the very first one we're going to do is and we'll go ahead and run that. What this does is this select name from systables. It looks at the system tables for this database and gives us the name of all the tables. So in this case we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tables plus sysdiagrams. So what this list could be hundreds or thousands of tables long if we had hundreds or thousands of tables in this Learn SQL database. But in the particular case of this, we only have 5. So this is just a good way to pull up and look at all the names of your tables so you can kind of get an idea what the names of those tables are. The second one we're going to do is underscore TB. Okay, so we'll execute this command. What this command does is give us all the info about everything contained, column name, types, user table, data was created, all of this information, basically the properties of the specific table. So we can do, like you can see, employee table, but if we were to do employee pay table, you see we get employee pay, the employee pay table, and all the information about that. So that's a good way to go through and get, quickly get, the column names and, number of columns defined, primary, all of that kind of information if you need it very quickly. And then the last command is the drop table orders. So what drop table does is this is basically delete. So this deletes the orders table from our database, which I'm not going to do at this time. But what would happen is if we executed this command and we refresh this orders table would be gone. So this is useful if we are creating tables and we mess up a column name or we need to change something about the table. We have to go ahead and drop the whole table and then add it back in with the changes that we need to do. So having said that, that's a brief overview of the very few basic commands for managing database tables, looking at the properties of those tables, and things like that. So I'd like to thank you for viewing and have a nice day.